Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the 8x10 mini album that we created together. So let's take a look. I did create a tutorial for this book, which I'm going to link down below in case that you missed that. So I do have a step-by-step tutorial on making these books here. So these are 8x10 landscape style albums, and this is my mini album subscription for the month of May. Now I made extra books this month, so if you would like to just pick up one of these books as standalone, I'm gonna have them linked down below. On this video I'm just gonna give you a walkthrough of the final project, and so yeah, and also I added a couple things as well. So just a very simple design for the inside covers that were not on the tutorial, so I just wanted to do a new walkthrough here. So like I mentioned, the book measures 8x10 and it has a 2.5-inch spine, and it has 4 signature pages. Now if you follow the tutorial and you want to add more pages, you can add a 1/2 inch to the gusset for another page that you want to add. So I hope that makes sense. So if the spine here is 2.5 and you want to add one more page, you can do your spine at 3 inches, and then that will give you room to add one more page. I don't suggest going higher than 3 inches just because the pages are quite large and the book will be quite heavy after you add your design paper and your pictures, so you don't want to put a lot of weight on your spine. But yeah, so there you can definitely add a more signature page. But yeah, so let's take a look inside the book. So let me move this one here. And so when we open these up, on the inside cover I went ahead and added these other opening flaps. So this will not be part of the tutorial, since this is something that I just added as I was finishing up the batch of books. Then here on the first page we have our double accordion fold gatefold page, and then this opens up. And then on the back page here we have this opening section, and then this whole thing opens to the side as well, so you have a large place for a picture here. And I like this kind of like envelope looking pages. There's so much that you can do to decorate and to add fun closures to that. Then on this next page, this opens up and it opens down, and then this whole page opens to the side, and then we have here a large pocket as well. And then for the back page we have this design, so it opens up like that, and then it opens up, and then the other side opens to the side, and it opens down like this. And then over on this next page, this opens to the side, so this will fit a 5x7. And then over here a larger area for another picture. This opens up and then opens to the side. And what I like about this book is the large place for pictures on the back here, so you can easily put an 8x10. You just crop it a little bit, but it will fit all of those really nice landscape pictures, especially if you're doing a school book and you have all those 8x10 class pictures, or if you're using this book for a wedding, that would be a really beautiful option as well. So over here on this page, this opens down, and then these two open up, and then at the center we have a belly band to put more photo mats, and then those close right there. And then over here this page opens up, and then this smaller one opens down, and then we have 2 large openings on each side. So again, lots of room for larger pictures. And then over here on the back, this opens up like that. And then over here we have this opening down, and then it opens to the side. So all of these layouts will accommodate very large pictures or full-size pictures as well. This opens down and then it opens to the side, and then the large place for pictures on the center. And then finally on the inside cover I added these other large openings, so it gives you more space for pictures as well. So this back opening was not part of the tutorial, but just a very simple layout that you can also add. And that is the walkthrough of these books. I want to thank everyone who is part of my blank mini album club. Thank you so much for all your support. I always have fun every month designing a new book. This month was a little bit crazy traveling with volleyball and also with my daughter's birthday, so I'm finally ready to ship these books, but like I said, I created some extra ones, so I'm gonna have the link to that if you want to order just a blank book standalone. I'll have them link below, and I only have a few extras, so I won't be restocking. I won't be doing anymore because I'm gonna move right on to making the books for the next month. So if you would like to subscribe to the mini album club, I would also have the link down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.